Hello, Shawn here, and welcome to the next part of our LifeVantage Compensation Plan series. As with the other parts of the series, we will be using the compensation plan highlights to discuss this portion of the pay plan. If you don't already have it, you can find it at LifeVantage.com and scroll down to the bottom and click on the compensation plan highlights link as shown on the screen. That will bring you to the one-page PDF summary you see on the right. This video will give you a look at the Elite Bonus Pool, just one of several ways you get paid at LifeVantage. This particular bonus is open to all paid as Pro 7s and above. All distributors who maintain their qualified elite level or master rank are eligible to be paid from the Elite Bonus Pool on a monthly basis. LifeVantage takes 4% of all total global commissionable sales and places it in the Elite Bonus Pool. This is a true profit sharing program. It's not a revenue sharing program where they take out expenses. This is then paid out to our qualified elite level distributors within our organization worldwide. When you are paid as the rank of Elite Pro 7, you are qualified to earn one share of the 1% Pro 7 pool. When you are paid as the rank of Pro 8, you are qualified to earn one share of the Pro 7 pool and one share of the Pro 8 pool. When you are paid as the rank of Elite Pro 9, you're qualified to earn one share of the Pro 7 pool, one share of the Pro 8 pool, and one share of the Pro 9 pool. When you are paid as the rank of Master Pro 10, Executive Pro 10, or Presidential Pro 10, you are qualified to earn one share of the Pro 7 pool, Pro 8 pool, Pro 9 pool, and Pro 10 pool. The Elite Bonus Pool is by far my favorite part of the compensation plan. As long as you make it to Elite Pro 7, it doesn't matter when you joined. It doesn't matter who's in whose group. You start to earn commission on every product that ships and partake in the efforts of every LifeVantage distributor from the very beginning. Alright, that wraps up our training on the Elite Bonus Pool. Be sure to watch the next video in our LifeVantage Compensation Plan series, and be sure to subscribe to our channel, Shawn and Michelle Poe, so you'll be updated with new trainings as they come out.